Hey guys, Kai here from Telco and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Samsung Note 20 Ultra. Also, I'm trying out a new lighting setup. You might have seen it on the previous video. It looks like there are two lightsabers branching up from both of my shoulders. It's something fun that I want to try out with the entire Star Wars theme going on because Mandalorian, it ended with such a high note. Also, I got my Star Wars t-shirt on. So if you guys think this is a horrible setup, do comment down below. Alright, back to the video for today, which is the Samsung Note 20 Ultra. There are already tons and tons of reviews out there, and I don't think if I were to do another review, it will add to any value at all. So instead, I will be covering 4 new features to love and enjoy with this Samsung Note 20 Ultra. First and foremost, of all the Samsung flagship phones, my favorite is the Note line. Currently, I am using the Note 10 Plus. Prior to that, I was using the Note 5, and then before that, it was the Note 2. And I've been enjoying all the Note lines, especially because it has helped me a great deal for work. Alright, the first thing to love. I think this is the first Samsung phone to nail mobile phone photography. I've reviewed some new Samsung phones, but this one seems to produce the best images so far. The images come out tech sharp, clear, very clean. I really love that the images do not have that added color saturation, and even the selfie beauty mode, it looks quite natural. I didn't detect any, those plastic looking result that I really hate. Oh, and the night mode looks pretty awesome too. Second thing to love will be the high refresh rate. Samsung is pretty late to this game. The Note 10 that I'm currently using is still at 60Hz when almost all of the mobile phone brands are already having 120Hz refresh rate for their flagship phones when the Note 10 came out. And it is great that Samsung finally add fast screens to the Note line. And it's very true that once you are using a high refresh rate screen on a phone, it is noticeable that when you do go back to a non-fast one, you can clearly see the difference. So in short, you can never ever go back to using 60Hz. So with the high refresh rate, writing with the stylus is also more fun now. And I've been doing a little digital journaling because I'm just way too lazy and my fine art skills are just too horrible to do proper bullet journaling, a stark contrast to what my wife has achieved so far. So digital is for me, and comparing to the Note 10, writing is way more fluid in the Note 20 Ultra. Also love that Samsung added new richer features into Samsung Note, such as importing of PDF files for annotation. This is great because you then do not need a third-party PDF editor for you to do this kind of productivity task. One other cool feature in Samsung Note is the ability to straighten out handwriting. And we have to be honest, because not all of us have excellent penmanship, let's just face it, doctors especially. Oh wait, do I know any doctors that might get offended on whatever I say? Oh yeah, I do know one. She's living in Adelaide. But she has quite good, she has very nice handwriting, if I'm not wrong. Right, Ilya and Ridwan? Alright, and the fourth thing to love is that Samsung has a strong and lasting partnership with Microsoft, which is super awesome. The Note 10 was already considered to be a productivity powerhouse. The Note 20 Ultra is productivity powerhouse to the power of 20. Get it? Get it? So firstly, you can now sync Samsung Note to apps such as OneNote, Outlook, or To Do for a more ubiquitous experience. This is great because OneNote doesn't really have good handwriting features, and Outlook and To Do, they don't even have handwriting options. So bringing in Samsung Note rich note features to these apps is just way more robust. Secondly, using the link to Windows feature on Note 20 Ultra is way more advanced now. You can literally copy, paste, or drag and drop any content or files from your phones to your PC and vice versa seamlessly. You can even take calls or make calls using this link to Windows feature. really nifty trick, because for most of us, we are still working from home. And yes, this is especially great to take calls or to make calls. Alright guys, these are the 4 features that we love in the new Samsung Note 20 Ultra. These are very nifty features that can really help you productivity wise, or creative, or just casual media consumption. Alright guys, if you like this video, do hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification button to get notified of a future video that we might post. That's it. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye!